Given an integer array nums, return true if there exists a triple of indices I, j, k, such that I less than j less than k and nums I less than nums j less than nums k. If no such indices exists, return false. Input nums equals 2, 1, 5, 0, 4, 6. Output true. Import classes and interfaces of the Java collections framework. Next, the class increasingTriplet sequence contains the implementation of the solution. The method increasingTriplet takes an array of integers as an argument and returns a Boolean value. This method is used to determine if there exists an increasing subsequence of length 3 in the input array. The two variables num1 and num2 are initialized to the maximum possible integer value and are used to store the smallest and second smallest numbers found so far in the input array. For each loop iterates through the input array nums. If the current number I is smaller than num1, then num1 is updated to the value of I. Else if num1 is smaller than I and I is smaller than num2, then num2 is updated to the value of I. Else if I is greater than num2, the method returns true, as this indicates that there exists an increasing subsequence of length 3 in the input array. If the loop completes without returning true, the method returns false, indicating that there does not exist an increasing subsequence of length 3 in the input array. The main method initializes an array nums and creates an instance of the class solution. It then calls the increasingTriplet method on the instance and prints the result.